Great advice you need to know about snoring. A lot of people today really do not understand what causes snoring and what you can do to prevent from occurring. To begin this process of understanding, you need to be educated on the causes of snoring. The following video contains a number of quality tips that will show you the causes of snoring and things you can do in your life that will alleviate this problem. Avoid drinking alcohol within 5 hours of bedtime. Alcohol, along with other sedative drugs, causes the muscles at the back of the throat to relax. When these muscles relax, you are more apt to snore. Stay away from those nightcaps. You may actually sleep more soundly if you do not drink before bed. It is possible to stop snoring by making a face like a fish. These exercises build your muscles in your throat and face. Simply suck in your cheeks with your mouth closed. Move the lips like a fish. To be effective, this exercise should be repeated several times each day. If your snoring is growing worse, make sure that the pillow you use at night is thick enough to elevate your head. Sleeping on a pillow that does not have adequate girth will not only increase your snoring, but it will also disturb your loved ones who are trying to sleep. One trick that many spouses have learned when they have to sleep with a snorer is to nudge them until they turn over on their side. The change in position will often alleviate the problem, at least temporarily. While it is no fun to have to constantly nudge your spouse, sometimes that is the only way you can get to sleep. As was stated in the above video, most people today really do not understand why snoring happens. If you understand the causes, then you can work on preventing it from occurring. Apply the advice from this video to help you get educated on snoring causes and learn about the best prevention methods. Would you like to learn this easy throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.